Apple is reportedly giving Siri something users have been asking for since forever. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Apple has finally given Siri the ability to multitask in iOS 27. Now you may finally be able to say, set a reminder, text my friend, and check the weather without Siri mentally collapsing after the first task. Most modern AI assistants were able to handle multi-step commands for years. Meanwhile, Siri has been stuck in a loop where every request had to be broken down like you're explaining things to a confused intern. So yes, this upgrade feels like a signal that Apple's finally taking AI seriously in ways that impact daily use. The updated Siri is expected to understand multi-step intent. That's a big leap for an assistant that's historically excelled at setting timers and not much else. Apple's now trying to make Siri into something closer to a real digital assistant with fewer interruptions, fewer repeated wake words, and a smoother interaction that feels less like operating a machine and more like having a conversation. It's a low bar, but it is progress. If it's done right, this could turn Siri from a novelty into something genuinely useful for handling daily routines and managing tasks without constant micromanagement. In short, it might finally save time instead of wasting it. But let's not get carried away. While competitors have been racing ahead with conversational AI and agent-like capabilities, Apple is still rolling out features that feel like they should have existed years ago. Even with improvements, Siri still needs to prove it can compete with assistants that understand context and intent on a much deeper level. Because multitasking's great, but it's the baseline now, not the finish line. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.